Hooty hoo, all my stock market gamblers. Welcome today. We got July 7th, a Wednesday. Markets hit a record high this morning. They keep going higher, higher. New records are being set. But we're going to talk about that in a second. We're also going to talk about cryptos today. Cryptocurrency. All right. So the market hit a new record high today. Look at the chart of the NASDAQ here, the QQQ. So it's just getting out of hand. It's just running straight up. Well, what I did this morning, I put on a couple of put options. I'm actually betting the market to go down. Now, this is a fool's game because you're trying to pick the top. Do I think the market's going to collapse? I want to be perfectly clear. No, I think it's going to dip, and I think the dip should be bought. It is not the collapse we're waiting for. The market is just too strong. It's just going to keep going up and up. They're going to keep printing more and more money, and we're going higher. But I did put on some put options on the QQQ today. Okay, so why did I do this? Well, look at the QQQ. On the RSI here, you can tell it's just straight up off the chart. Look at the MACD, straight up. Eventually, it's going to come back in. All right, so the QQQs are about 362. The 50 days all the way down here at 337, and the 200 days all the way down here at 314. Now, I don't think we're coming down to 314, but we could pull back to 337, the 50-day moving average. At some point, we're going to come back. I'm taking a shot. This is a fool's game. It's a fool's game trying to pick the top, but I am a stock market gambler, and a lot of my signals are saying that we're due for the pullback. We're way overdue, actually, and I think we're going to get it. Here's why I think we're going to get it. All right, so this is a chart of the VIX. This is actually a weekly chart. The VIX is the volatility index. This measures fear in the marketplace. Now, fear has just come down. It's just we've gotten very complacent. There's nothing to fear. We have the Federal Reserve to back us up. They're going to keep printing the money, and they're going to prop up the stock market. Well, we're getting a little too complacent. Now, the VIX is trading at 16. Okay. So we're trading at 1634. If you look at the calls and the puts on the VIX for August, like August, end of August, okay, to buy the $16 strike price, you can get the puts for about 50 cents. But what do the calls cost? Well, it's trading right there. You'd think they'd be about maybe 50 cents also. The calls are at $5. The puts are at 50 cents. The calls are at $5. The calls are 10 times as high. This is telling me that it's time that professional traders think the market is going to have a pullback, and they think it's going to be considerable, maybe 5 or 10% pullback, and that's a dip that should probably be bought. So what did I do? Well, I put on some put options on the QQQs, thinking that the market is going to come down. It's going to come in. Do I think this is the crash? I want to be clear. No, I do not. I actually think the market's going to move higher. I actually think they're going to get the infrastructure package through, not the 1.2 trillion that they're talking about. I think they're going to spend 6 trillion on infrastructure, and this money's going to flow into the stock market, which will push it higher. But right now, we need a pullback. We are overdue for a pullback, and I think it's time to take a shot to the downside. It's a fool's game. This is not for everybody. This is just what I'm doing. I want to let you know what I'm doing. I put some put options on the NASDAQ on the QQQs this morning. We'll see how it plays out. Maybe it's terrible. Maybe I'll get out of them. Maybe I'll think it's a bad trade. I don't know, but that's what I did. I want to let you know what I did. So what else do we got going on? Well, here's the cryptocurrencies. Now, crypto traders are very passionate. They're very passionate people, and I admire that. Cryptocurrency is kind of like their religion. Okay, so do not badmouth Bitcoin to anyone that trades cryptocurrency. They'll say you're a boomer. They'll say you're a fool. But cryptocurrencies are not doing so well. Look, all right. So cryptocurrency, the Bitcoin was up here at 63,000. Now it's trading around, 34, 35,000, almost half off. It's on sale. It's on sale. Is it going to go more on sale? That's the question. I have a little bit of the GBTC trust here. Okay, it's trading at $29. I have a very small position. Look at how the 50-day is coming down and going to crash through the 200-day moving average. That's a sign of weakness, a sign that we're still not done yet, that we're not ready to go up yet. Now, people think I hate Bitcoin. No, farthest thing from the truth. I believe in getting out of the system. The Federal Reserve is going to burn the dollar. Get out of dollars. Get into something else. And yes, Bitcoin is something else. So I'm not against it. I'm not against Bitcoin at all. Matter of fact, I do think it will eventually hit $100,000. That would be a triple from here. Now, do I think that's going to happen this year? Bitcoin moves so quick, it could happen this year. Probably not, but it could. It could. Okay, so right now, it's still kind of flatlining here, kind of building a base, but I do think it's going to, well, it's got some weakness coming, so that you may get a better buying opportunity. This gets down here to 25, down here to 20. On the GBTC, I will be adding to my position before the big move up higher. Now, Grayscale, these are Grayscale trusts, and they're what I like to trade. These are trading vehicles. Look, I don't understand holding Bitcoin. There's a lot of people that bought Bitcoin 40,000, 50,000, and they were real happy when it went to 60,000, but they didn't sell. Now it's all the way back to 34,000 and they're underwater. They're kind of sad right now. I am not a holder. I don't understand holding. Okay, look, if you had gotten out of Bitcoin at 60,000 and bought back in right now, you could have had twice as many Bitcoins as you had. Look, Bitcoin is a trading vehicle. Man, I'm a stock market gambler. If you want to know how to do this stuff, how to trade from charts, go to stockmarketgambler.com. I'll give you my secrets. My secrets, I'll give them to you for free. Just put in your name and email. I'll send you my secrets. But this chart is still looking like we have potential to go lower. Yes, I have a small position on, but I'm waiting to add to it. I'm waiting to add to it down here at 25, maybe even at 20. Bitcoin looks to me like it's still flatlining. Could shoot up from here, but I think it's got a little more downside to it. All right, let's look at Ethereum. Ethereum's starting to outperform Bitcoin. I'm telling you, Ethereum is looking good here. Okay, it bounced off the 200-day. Now, I'm not in this, but if it comes back and retests the 200-day moving average down here at 17, I will open up a position on ETHE, on Ethereum. I think it's got much, if not more, potential than Bitcoin. Yeah, I like Ethereum. It's at 23, I want it down here at 17. I missed it. It came. Look, this is beautiful. A lot of people that do chart trading, when it comes down and hits the 200-day and the 200-day is sloping upward, that's the buy signal. You could have got this at $16 and you'd probably be taking profits right now at $23. That's a trading system. Okay, let's look at a couple others. At Grayscale, they have like 4 major cryptocurrencies. The next one is Litecoin. Litecoin is getting really cheap on this. Okay, it was at $450, down here at $85, and it's building a base. I like it down here. I do not have a position on it, but I do like it down here. I like Litecoin. LTCN is the Grayscale Litecoin. Yeah. Could bounce back. It could go. It could hit a new high. If it got back to 450, wouldn't that be a great trade? $85 to 450. I am not in this. I'm just looking at it. Okay. All right. Here's another one. This is Bitcoin Cash. Once again, you could have got out here at 60, buy it back at 12. That's why I'm not a holder. I don't understand holders. I really don't. Yet, look it. Bitcoin is a trading vehicle. It's a trading vehicle. It's great for traders. I'm a gambler in the stock market. I love Bitcoin for trading. You get in, you get out, you take your profits. Bitcoin's volatile. It's going to have another run up. It could hit 100,000. Okay, this is Bitcoin Cash. $12.80 on this trust. Yeah, I like it here. Could it get back down here to $10 again? Absolutely it could. Okay, these are the grayscale trusts. They're what I trade in and out of. So what did I do today? I shorted the market. I kind of feel like a fool for doing that because I'm playing the fool's game of shorting the market. I tried to pick a top in the NASDAQ. I don't think we're at the top. I do think we're going to have a pullback, and then I do think the pullback should be bought, and we're going to move up higher. Okay, so that's what I did today. I hope this was helpful. If you like this stuff, give me the thumbs up. If you really like it, hit that subscribe button so we can talk again more. Anyways, that's what I did today. I got some puts on the QQQ. We'll see how they play out. I may be out of them today. I may be out of them tomorrow. I don't hold them long, but I do think we're due for that pullback in the NASDAQ, in the stock market. The pullback's coming. I think it's here. That's all I got for you today. Bye-bye now. Get out there. Have a great Wednesday. Bye-bye now.